How to reset iPhone to factory settings. If you want to reset your iPhone to factory settings, simply follow these steps. This will erase all data and restore your iPhone to its original state. First of all, open the settings app on your mobile device. The first important thing is back up your data first. Before resetting, backing up your data to avoid losing important files. Now, inside settings, tap on your name or Apple ID at the top and navigate to your Apple ID settings. Once you are there, scroll down and tap on the iCloud option available there. We will go with the iCloud backup, or you can also do computer backup, Mac or PC. Then simply tap on the iCloud backup option available there. And after you tap on the iCloud backup, you'll get to see backup now option available. Simply backup now and backup all your necessary data. Once the backup has been completed, simply go back to the general, tap on the general. Inside general, scroll down till the bottom and there you will get to see transfer or reset iPhone. Simply tap on it. Then tap on erase all content and settings option available there. After you tap on the erase all content and settings, you will get to see the confirmation on your screen. Simply tap on the continue and tap on the erase iPhone and enter your passcode if prompted. Your iPhone will restart and reset. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.